not all leads are created equally, and not all leads are actually leads. If you have inbound leads that sign up for your SaaS product, maybe they are a great fit, prospective customers, and they convert and stay with you for a very long time, but maybe it's a competitor that is researching the new feature release that you just put out, or perhaps it's a candidate applying for a product manager job and they want to learn more about the product itself. And so it can be cumbersome for your sales team to auto disqualify all of these leads and capture that critical reason so that you can have the feedback loop between marketing and sales, wherein someone can quickly pull up a report and say, hey, for the month of February, for those leads that we disqualified, we can see that 14% of them were mistaking our free trial CTA for the newsletter sign up. Then you tweak that CTA and then you reduce the signal to noise ratio in your lead assignment. And so what I want to do shortly in this video is set up an automation so that when you capture the reason a lead's not qualified, you also auto update the status to reduce some clicks, and then you can quickly build and see this really lovely report that drives meaningful conversations about how you can improve things commercially. So here we are in our all new leads tab, and you can see that, for example, I have some staff test accounts that maybe I want to get rid of, or, something else, right? And so what I want to do is two things. The first is I want to create a custom attribute that allows me to capture the disqualification or unqualification reason in a systematic way. And so you can see I've created this drop-down select that has a number of predefined options. This means that my sales team will be consistently entering the same kind of data, which will then allow me to run a nice report. And so the way this works is if a sales rep marks, the lead disqualified because they're missing a key feature, then we know that information moving forward. Now we're going to set up a simple automation directly here to say auto disqualify when reason present, and we're going to select a trigger, customer created or updated. A customer meets all these conditions. Now we're going to use that custom attribute that we created in the previous step, and we can just make sure that if it's present, it doesn't really matter what the reason is. Then what we want to do is update the customer property to auto disqualify. That's going to save our sales team an extra step. They only have to answer or adjust rather this one field, and they're capturing the true reason why someone's not a good fit. And then we're automatically updating the status for them. So just another example of a simple automation you can do in ChartMogul to make your life and your team's lives a little bit easier. All right, thanks for watching.